Okay, welcome back to another episode of the build in Udon. Well, it's just outside of Udon anyway. Trying to remember the place. Anyway, back to the build. This is actually some of the staff's living quarters. This over here is the toilet. I'll just show you how the staff will, some of the staff live on site. Some are local, so they've all got a home to go to. It's not finished yet, but this is the toilet. You haven't seen how they do construction in here, how they live. So that's the shower and toilet. Right, so avoiding the pad system and the first pile, pad and pile system, that's all done. So the excavators on site now doing the backfill. So I'll show you here. So from the existing land to this height is 1.5 meters. We've actually gone down 2 meters to the existing land. You know, it's been like over a year and a half since it's been done. Yeah, you can see the pad down there and the pile, and then they'll be putting the beams off here. Same as the plantation project. If you haven't seen the plantation project, there's a playlist at the end of this video. So it's the pad's 60 centimeters thick by 1.2 meters by 1.2 meters. What this guy's doing, he's wetting, so all the soil sinks and compacts as he's filling in. So it fills any gaps in. So plenty of water while they're backfilling, and it compacts everything around the piles. So that one's already done up there. I mean, obviously it's the rainy season, so things will get compacted. So I'll show you what the concept is on this build, the house design. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, open living and kitchen area. Over there, that's the closet. Over there is the bathroom, ensuite. There's a bathroom over there where the excavator is, and the kitchen area is there. And this is going to be a living area to there. And this is a carpool. So you can drive in front door there. You've got a 1.5 meter deck area, what we Thai call labian, raised deck area. So, and then the driveway that comes in, so we'll come in and drive straight into there. And at some point it's going to put like a garage over there and another one down here. So I'll just show you the land, how much they built the land up. So from that land there to this one is 1.5 meters height. We've had a few problems getting equipment, deliveries on site, some equipment. So the guys have had to handball a lot of the stuff because we had a couple of vehicles stuck. There's my chief engineer. Long, Sabadi bar. Okay. Oh, me like yeah. Yeah. So now they're putting the steel primer on, getting everything ready. Even though they're not ready for it, we're just getting everything on site because the price of steel is going up every week. But everything's going up. The price is going up every week. So we're trying to get all the first stage. So on this one, it's basically the footings, foundation, floor, columns and roof on, and then we go into the next stage after that. I'm just getting him a solar light because Lung, he's actually staying on site now. This is the storeroom. So they handmade all these cement stock, nails, screws. There's welding rods to come on site now, I think, a bit later. So got all the steel cut to length for doing the beams. 50cm beams are putting in. So you can see there's some lengths in it. And they're still moving steel. The arbiter, that's his house there, so he's been a great help for us getting stuff on site. He's let me use his driveway to park the cars on just now till we get the road put in. So there's like 120 meters of road, stone aggregate road going in. There's the first stage of the road, just so we can get things on site as we're progressing along. So there you go, guys. I'll show you some drone footage.